welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys some of the things I have purchased online. I am super excited because I've been wanting to do some DIYs for a very long time, and I finally got some things that I ordered from multiple places. Hi,
my name is Kason.
So I lost my train of thought. All right, so here we go again. So I ordered this stuff online. I'm super excited because while I've been home and not able to get out and just been trying to think of different ideas, I've been searching YouTube because I really wanted to make some things for my house. Some of the things I wanted to do are some wall hangings. If you can look here, there's nothing here. Like, it's just a plain wall. Like, I gotta do something, and instead of buying some really expensive item, I want to try and DIY it myself. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm going to take you back over here and let's go through the items that I purchased online. And then I'll put a link below to kind of tell you where I got these items from. All right, so the first item I got is this glitter right here, and I've used this glitter before, and it lasts a long time. And I can't remember where I got it from, but I'll look it up and I'll be sure to put the link below. And it is it's about medium, like a medium thickness of the glitter. It's not too fine, so it does show up when you actually use it. So I do really like this glitter. Next thing I got is this crushed glass. Now I have to be honest, I've never used crushed glass before, but I saw some items or some projects online that I want to try where they use crushed glass on jars, or they use them on different trays, and I'll show you the trays that I got that I'm going to try and use this for. The next thing I have is my bling wrap. So I've seen a lot of people use this bling wrap right here, so it's very nice. Like, it's different, you know, it's a change from using your normal bling wrap that you get from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to try this out on a couple things. Maybe I'll bling up my some frames, which is another thing that I got. And let's see, also have this red bling right here. There is a viewer or subscriber, I should say, actually, thank you very much. There's a subscriber who is having a wedding, and her colors are, I believe it's red, blue, I can't remember all the colors, but I know it's red in there. So what I did was I purchased this bling because I want to see what I can do to try and help her come up with some centerpiece ideas and just a table setting ideas for her wedding. So I'll show you guys whatever I come up with using that. Here, I just had this crazy idea of wrapping some boxes, or I don't know, like I have all these darn Amazon boxes because I shop there so much, but I want to see if I actually kind of, you know, fix them up and, you know, upcycle them. And I'm going to try and wrap a few boxes using this. What is it? What is this? Like the drawer liner? Yeah, I guess that's what it is. What does it say? Yep, it's drawer liner. And this right here is actually, it's so cool, and it has like a great texture to it. It's actually like kitchen backsplash. So it does have like a sticky piece right here. So I have a couple ideas for this. I'm not going to tell you guys, I'm just going to show you. So you guys have to make sure that you are a subscriber so you don't miss out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. It's very important. All right, so next thing is right here are my picture frames. Now I did order these from the Dollar Tree. So I don't know about you guys, but my Dollar Tree has nothing. I mean, nothing. So I actually had to order these online, and they were actually like, I ordered like 3 cases of them and only ended up getting 1 because they were out of stock. Same thing with these charger plates. These are so popular right now. It took me forever to get these. So I did get 2 cases of these, and I have some crazy ideas I want to use for this, like crazy. So I'm really excited to show you what I'm going to do with these. Now, funny story with this glass right here. I ordered like 3 cases of picture frames, only got 1. And the other thing I got were these glasses. So I did not order these, you guys. Like, they came by mistake. So I need to call the dollartree.com and kind of, you know, resolve it. But at the same time, I think I can do something with these. And because I love the Dollar Tree, I think I'm just going to keep them. Okay, so moving along, I have some spray paint. Right here is the Rust-Oleum, I think I'm pronouncing that right, but it is the gloss finish, so that when I'm using my, like all my glitter stuff and actually I don't think I need to do it with crushed grass, but my glitter, I'm going to use the gloss spray to kind of seal everything. Then I have my silver metallic spray paint. And then I have my gloss clear. Actually, I didn't mean to buy these two. I think I bought one by mistake. I think I bought one a long time ago and just completely forgot. That's why Amazon just takes so much of my money. Next thing is my metallic silver paint. I have some Mod Podge. And then I have my brushes. And I like these because in here it has multiple sizes. It has like the larger brush, medium sponge brush, and then it does right here it has the smaller ones, so I do like that. And then I wanted to kind of work with some stronger glue. Like I know I use hot glue a lot, and like I want to start making some items that are more permanent, so I'm gonna try this new Gorilla Clear Grip glue. I heard good things about it. The reviews look pretty awesome. And then because I'm gonna try and be a professional, you guys, like I'm gonna really try to make some serious DIY crafts. So I got this heavy duty glue and this crazy looking contraption right here. It looks crazy, like really crazy. Yeah, so this glue goes in here some kind of way. I'll make sure my husband figures this out for me. And then I also got this tidy tray, so that way I can start doing more of my glitter projects and not get all the glitter everywhere. So I'm going to try this out. I like this one because it has the funnel right here, so that way it makes it easier for me to dump my glitter back into the jar. And over here these are my mats, and they come in it's a 3-package extra large mat. And that way I can do my projects on these. Normally I'll just get some newspaper, or I'll, find a piece of cardboard to work on there. But I want to just kind of use this, and plus I can film on these. It'll make it a little easier for you guys to see some of my DIY projects. Lastly, I have my foam board, and I bought like 3 cases of this foam board because it was so hard to find online. And the Dollar Tree actually offers it the cheapest than anywhere else that I could find. So I did buy a lot of this. So with all this stuff, I'm hoping to create some awesome DIYs. I thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you guys will subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video, especially since I'm going to be using this stuff very soon to create some DIYs, some wall hangings, and some home decor. Alright guys, I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.